Tens of thousands of Southern Californians have been ordered to evacuate their homes after raging wildfires engulfed several parts of the Los Angeles area. The largest of the untamed fires has already torn through roughly 3,000 acres of the Pacific Palisades, a neighborhood between the Santa Monica Mountains and the Pacific Ocean. The blazes are threatening homes with destructive wind gusts projected to peak at 100 miles per hour throughout Wednesday. Los Angeles County Fire Chief Anthony C. Marone warned that the National Weather Service has predicted a continued red flag weather event with strong winds and low humidity, placing all residents of Los Angeles County in danger. If you've been told to evacuate, officials advise you do so immediately. Don't wait. If not, a small amount of preparation can make a huge difference if things change. And again, don't wait to be ordered to evacuate if you feel you're at risk. What's the first step to being prepared? The California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection, or CAL FIRE, says residents should plan on a place to meet other household members, know who to call, and how to flee safely if you're forced to evacuate. Guidelines from the U.S. Department of Homeland Security stress that everyone in your household should be in agreement on a single plan. Subsequent evacuation plans should also be in place for spaces you frequent, including your office or child's daycare center. If you're not home when you need to flee, federal officials advise. Residents should stay informed of road closures to plan evacuation routes and know which evacuation centers are nearby. As of Wednesday morning, the Los Angeles Fire Department was operating evacuation shelters in the area, including the Westwood Recreation Center for evacuees of the Palisades Fire and the Richie Valens Recreation Center for evacuees of the Hearst Fire. Monitor updates closely. To receive real-time updates and alerts from the National Weather Service, residents can download the FEMA app. In emergencies, the Department of Homeland Security also sends real-time alerts to broadcast networks and all mobile phones, which do not require sign-up. The Los Angeles Fire Department is posting real-time updates on its X account and on its website. What to pack in a go bag? CAL FIRE advises that residents prepare a go bag that includes the following: a 3-day supply of non-perishable food, 3 gallons of water per person, a map with at least 2 evacuation routes, necessary prescribed medications, a change of clothes, extra eyeglasses, an extra set of keys, credit cards and cash, a first aid kit, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, copies of important documents such as passports or birth certificates, and pet food and water. Only if time allows, evacuees can consider grabbing family photos and other irreplaceable items, computer hard drives and chargers for cell phones and laptops. What should you do if you're trapped? In the unfortunate event that you're trapped, the first thing experts advise is to stay calm. If you're at home, CAL FIRE advises filling sinks and tubs with cold water, keeping doors and windows closed but unlocked and staying inside, away from outside walls and windows. If you're in a car, park in an area clear of vegetation, close your car windows and vents and cover yourself in a wool blanket or jacket. If you're fleeing on foot, the department suggests moving to a clear area, such as a ditch or flat ground, lying face down and covering your body. In all of these scenarios, the department advises calling 911 if possible. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to stay updated on urgent alerts and important information.